At this juncture, we would like to recognize and appreciate the gracious lady who sang the prayer at the beginning and made a kick-off to this inaugural session with a memento to serve as a treasure chest. May I call upon Ahmedabad branch chairman Ashwin Nagar to please present a memento to the gracious lady Piccola Ben. Thank you. The chief guest of this inaugural session and His Excellency Governor of Gujarat, Shri Kailash Patiji Mishra, is already amidst us. And may I request the President of the Institute, our torchbearer this year, Shri Bhupati, along with the Central Council member, Shri Sunil Talati, and the Chairman of this conference, Shri C.F. Patel, to escort and accompany our revered chief guest to the dais. Extending a welcome to the dignitaries and the delegates is indeed a courteous and pleasant exercise. One can feel assured when this delightful task is entrusted to a proven performer, organizer par excellence, Central Council member, and above all, Apro Manas, Sunil Talati, enormously energetic, live wire, and pleasant in his disposition. Sunil has left no stone unturned while leading the efforts of Ahmedabad branch from front in putting varied and myriad pieces together so that this conference is put through to its fruition with record-breaking registration. May I now request Sri Sunil Talati to welcome this august gathering. Small correction. This pleasant task of welcoming would be performed by the Ahmedabad branch chairman Ashwin Nagar. And to this end, I request Ashwin Nagar to please come forward and welcome the delegates of this gathering.
The most revered His Excellency Shri Kailash Pati Mishra, the Governor of Gujarat, the chief guest today's memorable event, respected Shri R. Bhupati, Shri Sunil Goyal, President and Vice President respectively of the most prestigious apex institution, that is the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, Shri C.F. Patel, Chairman of the conference, galaxy of past presidents of the Institute, Shri Jayant Gokhale, Chairman of Fiscal Laws Committees, Mr. Kamal Vikamse, Chairman of Corporate Law Committees, Shri Sunil Talati, Convener of the Conference, Central and Regional Council members, distinguished invitees, and media personnel, elders, and my very dear fellow delegates. Today is a very special day, a red letter day for this glorious city of Ahmedabad. The historic city of Ahmedabad is supercharged today in the benign presence of the top brains and talents of the country so far as the profession of chartered accountancy goes. It is a matter of great pride and privilege for the Ahmedabad branch of the Western India Regional Council of the Institute to host this All India Conference on Fiscal and Corporate Laws for 2 days. My joy knows no bounds while cordially and heartily welcoming you all, coming from the length and breadth of our great nation to one of the most prestigious events this city has ever had. On this unprecedented event, I, on behalf of Ahmedabad branch and on my personal behalf, salute to those worthy sons of land to those dons of our profession who have been instrumental in laying down a very strong foundation on which our profession has been thriving and scaling newer heights year after year and has spread its wings all over the globe. India today is a force to reckon with, equally contributing and participating in the global contemporary issues relating to fiscal and corporate laws. Of late, there have been paradigm and sea changes, which in their effects are quite subtle, yet having far-reaching ramifications. The scope, nature, and trends of businesses have outgrown and overgrown the geographical barriers, and in this context, it is said that the planet Earth has become a village. This has for sure necessitated strengthening and rationalizing of fiscal and corporate laws of our country. Various laws have to keep pace with the fast and changing times, fast changing business environments, and it is the time for all of us that we as professionals excel for excellence. The Ahmedabad branch was established in 1962 and it is presently catering to more than 2,900 members. We are proud of owning one of the most beautiful buildings in India, which is equipped with fantastic infrastructure. This is all due to this that Ahmedabad has always had a much better result than all India average in the newly launched Information System Audit course. We are the pioneer in the use of information technology, and I am glad to say that we are the one and only branch in India to make the CP information available online on the internet to its member on a single click of mouse. I am sure this conference is going to impart tremendous confidence to all the delegates and shall surely better equip us all for achieving excellence in one of the most important branches of our professional endeavors, and that is fiscal and corporate laws. I once again, from the bottom of my heart, heartily welcome you all to this great city and to this memorable conference. Today's deliberations are going to enlighten and enrich us with a plethora of knowledge and professional competence. Let us then get going. Let us buckle up our shoes and tighten our belts for an invaluable bonanza. I conclude with a couplet, and that is relevant to the theme of this conference, that is equipping for excellence, and that is achieved when it is said that खुदी को कर बुलंद इतना, खुदी को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले खुदा बंदे से ये पूछे कि बता तेरी रजा क्या. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ashwin.